I was a kid and I was writing it down. My dream job would have been riding around with dogs in a truck and being outside. Back out! I like to be in motion. I like to do things. I like to be active. There's something that's challenging and sort of engaging. I think it keeps me in the zone. I tell people I'm a builder, but you know the nuances of being a builder is that you're always on the go. That ever-changing aspect of it, that it's got to be created at that moment in time to make it unique. I'm Bob Koplos. I'm the owner of Steel Root Builders. We're based in Asheville, North Carolina. The beauty of Asheville is everywhere. You go out to these sites and you're looking out and you're like, wow, we got to capture that view. It's an art town. I call Asheville a maker's town. Like, everybody makes something. There's absolutely that aspect of building here that brings the inspiration to the table. This place in general has a way of captivating you and also motivating you to be more creative. I was working for a contractor. I had bought a house in West Asheville to remodel. I met my electrician there, and I was standing on my driver's side of my truck, which was in the street. I heard a loud like boom, and it was a car that had hit the dumpster and then careened off of that. The car hit me. Like, it was such a hard impact that it like swept the jeans off of me. So I was looking down, you could like see my knees, I could see my feet, and I knew my left leg was broken. The first thing I did was like wiggle my toes. I was actually like kind of excited that I wasn't paralyzed. I know that's kind of like a weird thing, but I was like, oh, it's gonna be fine. Having that moment when I was in my like prime really was like, whoa, you don't get a lot of time, to do what you want. So if you have it, go for it and don't stop. That led me to start thinking about starting my own company and getting into it on my own. It really wasn't about making more money. It's really just been about having autonomy and choosing your clients. The people that come to us like a lot of modern design, a lot of like clean lines, are focused on energy efficiency, sustainability, and stuff that pushes the boundaries. When you're dealing with the topography, your imagination has to be able to handle the variety and the three-dimensional aspect of a house that's on a slope. With AdvanTech product, I know that it's a deliverable that I'm comfortable with. For me, it's about keeping the tried and true elements that I know intact and using unique design to make the product different. AdvanTech subfloor and the AdvanTech subfloor adhesive has helped us really ensure that that quality and durability is maintained throughout the process. Being able to adapt your process around the uniqueness of that project so that it functions and is beautiful and lasts a long time. It takes being very adaptable. That accident, looking back on it, to be honest, it was probably one of the best things that ever happened to me. It kind of helped me create the work ethic, but also the focus on like, everything is precious. And that's something that's changed within me, is like really trying to get the most out of what I have in front of me in every single day.